Welcome to Everyday Mechanic, keeping things simple. Hello and welcome to another episode of Everyday Mechanic. Today I'm going to talk about transit vans and how easy they are to steal. Right, first thing I'm going to show you. Now, people might moan that it's, I'm teaching people how to steal vans, but I'm not actually teaching anyone to steal a van. This is arming the people who own these vans with knowledge, so they can do something about it before the vans get stolen. And it's quite common knowledge anyway. So the first thing I'm going to start with is the rear doors. If you come round here, what you'll see in this gap here, there's a piece of wiring loom that comes through inside there. If you get the camera right in there, there's a piece of wiring in there which goes from the body of the van to the door. And what the criminals will do, they'll get a hacksaw blade and they'll run the blade inside there and they'll cut through the wires nice and slowly and gently until it makes a connection for the central locking, which will open the whole van up. It's no different to using the blipper on your key. And that's how easy it is to do that. But there's a steel plate you can buy, which you open the door up, put the steel plate across, screw it in. I think you just use self tappers, and that covers your wiring loom. So that can't be done, so they can't cut through that then. And the other way to steal the van is the easiest, is they'll break into the van through the central locking, what we just showed you. And then they'll access the DLC connector, they'll break the steering lock, they'll plug a computer into your DLC connector, which is this, your data link connector, and they'll program themselves a new chip to the van's ECU, which takes a minute, and then they're gone with your van. That's how easy it is. But simple little couple of things you can do is one, stick a plate across your wiring, eBay sell them, transit van, wiring loom protection, theft protection. If you come into the van now, we'll discuss how this DLC thing works. Right, we're in the van now. Criminals hacksaw blade through your rear wiring loom that goes from your door to your body, opens all the central locking up, and then into the van, break the steering lock, which is not difficult at all. Then what they'll do, they'll bring with them a key, any old key, it doesn't matter. I'll show you my keys. There's a little Phipps key, little Phipps programmable chip inside the key. But most vans have got this tiny little glass bead thing, which the ignition needs to see to start the vehicle up. So what the criminals will do, they'll go down here and you'll have your DLC connector sitting there like a good one. Then what they'll do, they'll plug their computer into this DLC connector, turn the ignition on, because obviously they've took the wiring connector at the back of the ignition barrel. So they've put the ignition on, plug the computer in, program themselves a new key, and that happens within a matter of minutes. Then turn the key, van will start and they drive off with your vehicle. That's how easy it is. But you can do this. Cut your DLC connector off, take it out of the van. You could buy plates that lock your DLC connector away. You can buy dummy DLC connectors. There's stuff you can do, but this is the best way, I think. Take it out of the van completely. So if you look down here, these are my DLC connector wires. Don't need them connected to anything because all they do is read. It's just where the computer plugs into them. And I've put bullet connectors on mine. So you just go to the right colour, colour for colour, plug them in, and just do that in turn with each one. And then you can use it when you need to do plug in for diagnostics. But if that ain't inside your van, then your van ain't going anywhere. That's how easy it is. But they're really easy to steal. Criminals only need 10 minutes, probably not even that, 5 minutes, something like that. Your van's gone and everything in the back of it's gone with it. Yeah, so that's how they do it. So 2 simple steps. Get some sort of guide protection for your rear wiring looms and both your back doors if you've got to, and do something with your DLC connector. With my van, I'll just cut it out, stick bullet connectors on it, and that's it. It don't stop the van from running. The van will still start and drive. Makes no difference at all. All this is for is when you need to do a diagnostics on the vehicle, plug it all back in, do a diagnostics, take it back off, job done. But if you get something from these videos, great. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the bell notification and hit notify every time we put a new video up. And I'll keep the videos coming, keeping things simple, and yeah, we're all going to learn stuff. Keep it simple.
If you got anything from these videos, then don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment below. Also hit the notification button, some more videos coming up soon and you'll be notified when they come.